All right, guys. I feel like this question is just running rampant in your mind and so many people's minds right now. And the question is, do you just get all of your money into crypto right now because a major pullback is never coming? I don't know how many people I see online as I go through X, I go through YouTube, and I'm not going to lie, guys, we are in and we have been in this camp where we know the data that says when you reach the 786 retracement, when Bitcoin comes back up to this red line, from 13 years worth of data, every single time Bitcoin has crashed from the 786. Every single time. I'm talking 50%, 38%, two of them over 50%. And guess what, guys? We broke it. This is the first piece of data I want you guys to write down or maybe realize. We have now officially broken on Bitcoin's price action every single mid-cycle top retracement indicator. Every indicator that says we reach this level and then we crash. We've broken all of them. What does it mean? It means that if you go back to this chart and you look at what happens after we break the 786 or we see moves back down and we break it, we enter into a new cycle. You guys know what that cycle is? It's called the Parabolic Cycle. This is what the next cycle is. It's that move right there. The next cycle is this move right there. The next cycle, to not be really redundant here, is this move that goes through the top of the screen right there. It's the parabolic cycle. And so the question that people are asking themselves, and I want to kind of give you guys some data if I can in this video. I'll give you the data. And I'll go really in depth on this tomorrow in our membership for our members. And I'll show you charts that I will not release today. And I'll tell you guys what I'm doing with my money. Is that I think you may want to look at exposing yourself a little bit more to crypto than you are right now. So that big cash reserve you have on the sidelines, anticipating a big 30 to 40% drop that we've gotten for 13 years, it may not happen. All right, I'm coming out and just saying it. Okay, the reason why I say that is because we see certain indicators like this, which I'll go over, which is absolutely insanely bullish. Guys, our account is at $656,000. This is an all-time high for our account. And yes, if you guys are wondering, we did get into Cody. We called this out 10 days before it pumped. I'll show you guys our performance here. It's pretty ridiculous. Our trade is up 209% in the last 10 days. This is why you guys get a membership with us. We will not release the stuff on YouTube. It's curated data. I spend hours, looking over. If you guys want to get a membership, go to TradeConfident.io. This is actually the blog post that I shared that on. Subscribe and watch the future forecast right up here. I'm going to be coming out with one tomorrow morning. You guys can subscribe for $59 a month. We are upping our prices to $65 a month, starting on the halving event, which is April 20th or roughly around there. What you guys came for in this video is for me to show you guys why I think you may want to get more into the market than you have right now. And I'm going to, expand on this tomorrow. Look at what's happening with the altcoin crypto cap. I say this a lot, guys, but you need to understand you are putting in the double bottom and the neckline is being broken. You put in the double bottom and the neckline is being broken. What you're seeing right now is this candle that is printing right here, and I'll zoom in for you guys. This is all the volume going into altcoins. And I've mentioned this to you guys in our membership, but I'm going to prove to you guys again. We've been screaming two things. One, we're not financial advisors. And number two, altcoins are going to explode. We've been calling this, guys, for the last 2 months when we were down here and we were looking at this level here that was getting broken, which is what's called the neckline of the total two. We were getting into alts down here. This is also what we've been predicting would happen, is that when the price of Bitcoin is going up and you see dominance starting to move back down, which it hit an ascending resistance line, I'll show you in a second, this is when we were expecting money to come out of Bitcoin and go into altcoins. Watch this. This is exactly what was happening. When you have Bitcoin dominance, we're looking at dominance here, start moving up and you break the ascending support line, this is when you get moves down in Bitcoin dominance, which triggers what? AltSeasons. AltSeasons and AltSeasons. My face may be let me move this up so my face isn't in the way. What I've been predicting in the membership for us is that we were going to use this as a break and retest, that we were going to come back down, break, retest back up, and then start moving back down. All of the growth that we saw today, the $35,000 of increase, Cody, we have other coins like Fetch AI. We're in that as well. Guys, these cryptocurrencies are doing insanely well because money's moving into the altcoin market and it's moving out of the dominance of Bitcoin. And so what you need to do now is you need to come and decide, all right, how much money do I want in the market? You guys know that Doge 10x'd in one day. Dogecoin did a 10x in one day. I just saw Crypto Banter actually talking about this on his YouTube channel. So shout out to you for sharing that data. You're going to start seeing these altcoins take off. And what you're going to be really frustrated at is that you have all this money on the sidelines thinking, oh, I missed, getting in super low. Trade Confident made 209% on Cody. Oh, I missed that. Guys, you're going to miss so many other altcoins if you're not exposed to it. I teach this to our members over and over again. So please pay attention right here and please write this down. There's a very simple principle I've followed in my trading, especially in cryptocurrency. And it is this: you will never take advantage of the pumps on these altcoins or cryptocurrencies if you are simply not exposed to them. There's data playing out. I'm not going to show this chart right now. I'll show you guys tomorrow morning in the membership that we could be hitting 100,000 plus by the halving event. Guys, that's less than 2 months away. All right, so take this data. The dominance is actively shifting from Bitcoin into altcoins. That's what you saw today. We are buying altcoins. I just bought $5,200 more worth of altcoins yesterday before Cody went up, to the 200 percentile. It is crazy what these alts are going to do, and I want you guys to be prepared. Okay, I hope you guys got a lot out of this. That data, definitely come over to TradeConfident.io. I'll leave a link in the description. Snag a membership. Watch the future forecast tomorrow. Once you guys sign up, log in with your email, click on future forecast. Obviously, this is locked here until you're a member, but you will see the video come up. It's going to be on February 27th. You guys will see all that data of how I plan to risk manage my account and show you the data of why I think we could be hitting 100,000 plus before the halving event, and why you may want to get just a little bit more in the market than you think you should right now. Guys, about $90 million worth of shorts were liquidated today on Bitcoin. Do you guys also realize that the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges is dropping every day? Guys, I get it. We're trade confident. We've been bearish. I'm switching sentiment because new data is out. We have broken every single piece of data that says the mid-cycle top is going to see a drop. Will we get a pullback? Yes. I don't know when that's going to happen, but more data than not says that with this many liquidated shorts and with BlackRock and Fidelity and who's the other guy, Grayscale, they bought over $3.4 billion today on February 26th. We could be getting far more bullish than you think, and the drop that you're expecting, the drop that we were expecting, may not actually happen. And I'm going to show you guys all that data tomorrow so you guys can make some good decisions. I love you guys. God bless you. And we will see you guys on the next video we come out with. And I'll see you in the membership tomorrow morning. All right. Bye, guys.